Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to show you my brand new custom built Overland roof rack for my Jeep TJ. Alright guys, so before I show you the actual finished product, I'd like to just really quickly go over some of these designs we had. So real quick, we knew we wanted to attach this roof rack behind the taillights and fix them on my A-pillar light bar mounts. These are a couple different ideas for the top, some kind of vertical bars and kind of a floor on this one. Wasn't really a fan of this style, so we went more kind of this route, minus the grate up here. But we did some horizontal bars here, and then down here is the actual taillight bracket. So that's how that mounts right there. And then over here is kind of a finished rendering of kind of what my Jeep might look like with it on there. So it kind of follows the angle of the soft top. Yeah, it's just kind of a preview of maybe what it would look like. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys what this actually looks like. Alright, so before I walk around and show you guys like all the features, I just wanted to kind of give my thought process behind this. When I was researching a roof rack to buy and use with my soft top, like all of them were super ugly to me. They looked really cheap. They didn't fit the budget. Roof racks with soft tops just looked really bad. They had like huge gaps up here. I couldn't find one that followed this angle of the fastback soft top. A lot of them you had to like drill into the body, you know, like right here, or drill into the chassis back there. Like it just did not make sense to me. And I did not like them, and I don't have a hard top. If I had a hard top, that would make things a lot easier. I like running this soft top. All of those things, I wanted it to be very slim. Again, follow that fastback angle. I want it to be really solid, and it is very solid. So I definitely think going the custom route was the smarter option. Shout out to my friend Max Wilder. He has a company called Wilder Solutions in Rogers, Arkansas. And he builds custom off-road bumpers, sliders, roof racks, just about anything. So he's a really cool guy, does some great work. Anyway, with that said, yeah, we'll go around the features and I'll show you guys the roof rack. Oh yeah, a little bonus clip for you real quick. Check out my wife's rack. Holy crap, I actually said that. Back up, just forget. Yes, we got a roof rack on my wife's Subaru. Yes, that's the correct way. It didn't really work. Obviously I didn't want like a basket style for that, so I mocked it up and put it up there, and it just didn't really look right, but I think it looks pretty sweet on the Subaru. So one of my favorite things on this is actually these handles, or tie down things, if you will. It's kind of a last minute recommendation from Max. I told him I wanted a place where I could put my kayaks and like actually strap them down, and he suggested doing a handle kind of this style. Kona is going crazy. I use this one to kind of get up and down the Jeep, so I use the tire as like a step. So I just step on the rim, grab the handle, and then I can get up here and I can tie down stuff or do whatever I need to do at the top. And then I can also use the rocker here to you know, use as another step to tie stuff towards the front of the Jeep. So those handles are really cool. I think they were a great addition. So here's a little close-up of the handles. I think they're a 5/8 inch rod. Well, I have them on both sides, of course, too. But yeah, I really like those. All right, let's talk a second about actually mounting this thing in the brackets. With the design, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't want to drill into the tub or make any kind of permanent changes to the body. So what I thought about was taking the light off and having some sort of bracket thing in between to kind of sandwich everything, because there's already, I think, three holes in here that secure the light to the tub. So I was thinking maybe I could use some kind of bracket to sandwich all that together. And yeah, Max made this incredible bracket, and it's really solid. This one kind of goes under the tailgate hinge, has this little triangle deal. And then over here, I wanted a little CB mount, so we have a little tab here. Kind of just does the exact same thing, little triangle. So if I ever want to take this roof rack off, all I have to do is take off both taillights and then do some screws up here at the light bar, and I'll show you that in a minute. So to make this thing even stronger, we made a bracket underneath here on the back side of this. So you have the light, the bracket, the tub, and then another bracket on the back to all sandwich it together. Here's a quick look at another bracket underneath the Jeep, or underneath the tub. So the tail light is on the end of that, so it screws into everything. All right, here's inside the back of the tub. These are those 2 bolts from that bracket underneath that came through, but that is the only holes that were drilled in the body for this entire roof rack, and honestly, these don't matter to me. Here's the front. This part I was very impressed with. For my light bar, I have these A-pillar mounts. I don't know what this company is. It came on there when I bought it. Anyway, they're very heavy duty and sturdy. I wanted something to where I could fasten the roof rack to this somehow. And this is what Max came up with, and it's incredible. It looks so good. He used the exact bolts I had down here. I guess he had some laying around or something. Matched them up here, and this is how he fastened them. So you literally just screw this plate, which is welded to the roof rack. You screw the plate down to the A-pillar mount in these 3 locations. You cut the bolts down just a little bit to where it didn't rub on the body, so you can barely even tell a rack is on there, and I really like that. I didn't want it to be, you know, really obvious and bulky. So yeah, here's the other side. It just looks so good. All right, here's the top. So we have 6 little flat bars here. Really sturdy. Looks really good. Makes a nice solid platform up here. Here's a quick view of the rear. So there is one dilemma to this thing, and we knew this going in. So I have 2 jerry cans here on the rear, and we knew this was going to be a problem when I opened this tailgate all the way, and we knew that it was going to hit this. So I'm currently thinking of different ways to be able to open this further. So let me just show you. I can't open it that far. About right there is all I got. You can see that that's not fully open. It's Kona, what are you looking at, dude? So when I open this and lay the tailgate down, so yeah, you can see it's not a 90-degree angle, and I'm losing some space here. So at first we actually moved this jerry can forward a little bit. We moved it from this bar to this bar, and that did help. It gave me an extra inch or so, but I still was hitting this. But and that was definitely livable, but what I didn't like is this can stuck out further than this one, and it just looked really weird. And even if I put this one that way, it just, I don't know, it didn't work for me. So I'm currently trying to figure out some different options on how to fix this problem. But other than that, everything is perfect, and I'm really happy with it. All right, guys, I think that about does it. Thank you again so much for checking out the video and for checking out the channel. If you like overlanding, Jeeps, trails, camping, anything like that, please subscribe. I think you'll really like the channel. In the next couple videos, hopefully I will have a sweet rooftop tent up there. So be looking out for that video. So yeah, thank you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer as many of those as I can. So yeah, thanks. Have a great day.